To install EBF with HTTPS, first download the software from Linux link. You will require a 7Z compression tool to extract the EBF software. Install it using the command on the screen if it's not already installed. Change your current directory to the location where you downloaded the EBF software. Extract the EBF software directory from the downloaded file by running the command on the screen. After extracting the EBF software, run this command. It will ask for a new installation or an upgrade. Choose one for the new installation option. Press Enter to read the EULA, End User License Agreement. To accept the EULA terms, type Yes or hit Enter. Now enable HTTPS support on EBF. Type lowercase y or capital Y to enable HTTPS support. Hit Enter to generate a default certificate for HTTPS support. The EBF installation will start. In between the installation process, it will ask, would you like to specify the local private Docker network? If you type Y, then it will ask you to update the Docker network range. Otherwise, it will continue with the default network range. The EBF installation will continue. After successful installation of the EBF software, change the directory to /data/timesys/ebf/setup. Use cat with the settings.config file and look at the host IP address.